Good evening, guys. In the last class, we completed our discussion related to Stream API. Okay, what is the Stream API and how to create the stream, how to work with parallel stream, what is the special iterator, the topics we completed. Today, we are going to discuss some frequently asked interview questions on the Stream API. Okay, guys. Now here, assume that I'm giving a class employee. In the employee class, we have several fields and assume that there is a constructor for the employee class and there are some setters and getters also available for the fields in the employee class. And assume that this is our employees data. This is our employees data. So employee class is having ID, employee name, employee age, employee gender, employee department, year of joining, in which year they joined in the job, and what is the salary of the employee. So this is our employee class with some variables. Based on these variables, we are creating the object for the employee class and we are storing those employee objects into one collection. So here I have created one array list class. In the array list class, I'm storing 16 employees data. 16 employees objects I'm storing into collection. By using parameterized constructor for the class, I'm creating the object, I'm initializing that object, and I'm storing that object into my collection. So now we have 16 employees objects, 16 employees objects available in the collection. So based on these employees data, I'm giving 15 interview questions. So these 15 questions will give us more clarity on Stream API and more clarity on Stream API operations. Okay, guys. So these 15 questions will help you to understand Stream API in the better way and will give you practical experience on this Stream API. Okay, first observe employee class with the properties, a constructor with the variables, and for every variable, one getter method and setter method. So this is my collection object. In this collection, I'm storing 16 employees data. Now we need to solve these problems. How many male and female employees are there in the organization? So that is my first question. How many male and female employees are there in the organization? So here 16 employees are there. In these 16 employees, some employees are female employees, some employees are male employees. I want you to write the logic to get the count of male employees and female employees in the collection by using Stream API. That is my first question. How many male and female employees are there in the organization? And coming to second question, print the name of all departments in the organization. Okay, so employees are belongs to multiple departments. Some employees are belongs to HR, some employees are sales, some employees are belongs to infrastructure, some employees are belongs to department. Okay, so multiple departments are there. I want you to write the logic to print only the names of the department in the organization. And what is the average age of male and female employees? First question, how many male and female employees are there in the organization? Second question, print the name of all departments in the organization. Third question, what is the average age of male and female employees? Get the details of highest paid employee in the organization. That means the employee who is having the highest salary. Get the names of all employees who have joined after 2015. Here, year of joining is available. Who joined after 2015, I want to get those employees. Count the number of employees in each department. Here if you see, there are multiple departments available. In each department, multiple employees are available. I want you to count the number of employees in each department. What is the average salary of each department? Get the details of youngest male employee in the development department. Okay, guys. So we have development department, get the details of youngest male employee in the development department, who has most working experience in the organization. That means which employee is having the highest experience. How many male and female employees are there in the sales team? How many employees are in the sales department? How many male employees? How many female employees are there in the sales team? What is the average salary of male and female employees? List down the names of all employees in each department. What is the average salary and total salary of the whole organization? How much amount company paying monthly salaries? Total amount and average salary we want. Separate the employees who are younger or equal to 25 years from the employees who are older than 25 years. Who is the oldest employee in the organization? What is his and which department he belongs to? Which employee is very old in the organization and what is his age and what is his department? We need to find out. So these 15 questions we need to practice on the Stream API. Almost all the operations will be covered in the Stream API if we practice these 15 questions. If we practice these 15 questions, then you can answer anything in the Stream API. Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear with my logic? My requirement, sorry, not my logic. Are you clear with my requirement? Are you clear with my requirement?
Sir.
Yes, guys. Is it sufficient to practice Stream? Yeah. Now, here I'm taking my workspace. Here I'm taking my workspace. I will create. I'm taking my workspace. I have already prepared this data, guys. I created one simple Java class. In that Java class, I have taken all this data. I have taken a class with a name called EMP data. I have taken one class with a name called EMP data. In the EMP data class, I have taken one employee class with all these variables. ID, name, age, gender, department, joining, salary available, variables available. There is a constructor with all the fields, and for every variable, setter method and getter method is also available. I have taken all the 16 employees here. I have taken all the 16 employees here. Now we need to solve these problems by using Stream API. How many male and female employees are there in the organization? Okay, guys, which concept we need to use? Which concept we need to use to get the male and female employees? Filter concept, grouping concept. Filter concept we need to use a grouping concept we need to use a which concept we need to use to identify. There are two types of employees available, male employees available and female employees also available. Male employees available and female employees also available. We want to identify how many male and how many female employees are there in the organization. Okay, guys, which concept we need to use to do that? Only filter or group? Only filter or group? Grouping we need to use. Grouping we need to use. So let me write the logic for that. Number of male and female employees. Employees dot stream. I'm going to create a stream for the employees. Employees dot stream dot collect. I need to collect the output. Employees dot stream dot collect and collectors dot grouping by. Collectors dot grouping by. Here I need to group the employees by gender. Employee dot get gender. Method reference. Employee get gender. I need to collect that. For that I will use collectors dot counting. I will use collectors dot counting. Are you able to follow me? Are you able to follow me? Here I'm using collectors dot grouping, employees dot stream. Let me write it once again. Employees dot stream. Based on the list, I have a list here. For the list, I'm creating a stream. Employees dot stream dot collect. I want to collect the data. Based on what? Collectors dot grouping by. On what basis we need to group it? We need to group it based on the male and female. That means it is a gender in the employee. So grouping by employee colon get gender. Method reference comma collectors dot counting. Count it. Collect the data, group the data, and count the data. Now I got the map. That is my map 1. System.out.println map 1. So what it is going to return? It is going to return a map. I'm doing the grouping. Grouping means key and value will be available. Male and female. Gender I want to use as a key. Male. How many male employees are there? Count it and store it as a value. How many female employees are there? Count it, store it as a value. Gender will be the key. Value will be how many employees are available in that. Okay. Run as Java application. So total 16 employees are available. Out of 16, there are 11 employees are male employees, 5 employees are female employees. Are you guys able to understand the logic? Stream I have created. From the stream I am calling the collect method. Collectors.grouping by. Gender I want to use to group that, and I want to count that value. If I don't pass this collectors.counting, then what will happen? Based on the gender, it is going to store the data. Key will be gender, value will be list of employees. I don't want list of employees. I just want count. Gender wise count I want. That's why for grouping by, I'm passing second parameter. Yesterday, we passed only one parameter for the grouping by. Today, we are passing 2 parameters. So gender I want to use as a key to group that. Value I want to use as a count of employees. Okay, run this program, run as Java application. Male count is 11, female count is 5. So it is giving us the total employees based on gender. This is the solution. Okay guys, this is the solution. Are you able to understand? Are you guys able to understand how many male and female employees are there in the organization? How to identify that? By using collect with the grouping by, we are able to understand that. Now print the name of all departments in the organization. I want to print only the names of the departments. I want to print only names of the department. Can you guys tell me how can we do that? Print name of all the departments in the organization. How to print only name of the organization? Which concept I need to use? Filter I need to use a map I need to use a group I need to use a filter. I want to print all the department names. I want to print all the department names. Map concept. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Employees dot stream. Employees dot stream. Employees dot stream dot map of employee object. From employee, I want to get a department. Just I want to get the department. Dot for each. Employee dot department. Employee of department. Only department I want to get. Only department I want to get. In the department also, if I get all the departments, then what will happen, guys? If I get all the departments, then what will happen? Duplicate departments available, right? Okay. If I go for department, then what will happen here? What will happen? All the employee departments, if I get it, what it is going to do? Here, employees dot stream dot map of department. I mean employee object I'm going to pass employee dot department. If I access employee dot department dot for each system dot each department name, okay, system dot out dot println of name. If I execute this logic, then what will happen? Run as Java application. So many departments are printing. All the departments are printing. HR is printing here. HR is printing. Sales is printing. Sales is printing. Development printed. Development printed. But is it recommended to print like this, or we need to print unique department names? Do we need to print like this, or we need to print unique department names? We need to print unique department names. How to print unique department names? How to print unique department names, guys? Do we need to print all the names, or we need to print only unique department names? Unique department names. For that, which function? Distinct. If you use a distinct, it will solve that problem. Now see, 3 plus 3 total, there are 6 departments are available. Are we able to understand how to get the distinct department? Yes, we are able to get the distinct department. Here you can write the map like this, or you can go for method reference also. Employee get department. Like this, you can write a method reference also you to get that. All the unique departments we are getting. This is the solution for second problem. Print the names of all departments in the organization. Employee list is available. Employee list dot stream and map we are using. What is the average age of male and female employees? Are you able to understand how to print the name of all departments in the organization? We are able to print the name of all departments in the organization. What is the average age of male and female employees? How to find the average age of male and female employees, guys? Can you tell me? How to find average age of male and female employees? How to find average age of male and female? Earlier we found the count of male employees and female employees. Now what we need to do? Instead of collectors dot counting, what we need to pass now? Earlier we have called collectors dot counting. We passed collectors dot counting. It gives the total count. Now we need the count, or we need average age? We need average age. We need average age. How to get the average age? Let's do this. How to get the average age of male and female employees? Employees dot stream, employees dot stream, employees dot stream dot collect of collectors dot grouping by based on gender, right? Male average age, female average age. Employee of get gender, employee of get gender. Okay, grouping by get gender, comma, collectors dot average int, averaging int, average age. Age is a integer, not average salary. Age is a integer here. Averaging int of employee age. Average age of employees. Okay, so here if you observe, our first requirement and second requirement almost same. Our first requirement and second requirement is almost same. Okay, in the first requirement we are getting count of genders, gender wise count. Now gender wise average. Okay, here we are calling collectors dot counting. Here we are calling collectors dot averaging int. I want to get the average age of the employees grouping by gender. So what is the average age of the male employee? What is the average age of the female employee? Okay, so it is going to return collect. Okay, it is returning some map. Now let's print that map. System.out.println of map. Run this program. Run as Java application. 29 is the male average age. 27 is the female average age. If I pass collectors.counting, count of male employees, count of female employees we will get. Grouping by we are doing. Now grouping by gender, average age I want to get. For that averaging int we are calling. Got it, guys? Averaging, we are able to get that. Okay, next one. Let me keep the solution here. Yeah, next one. Get the details of highest paid employee in the organization. Yesterday also we have done this. Can you try this now? How to get the details of the highest paid employee in the organization? How to get the details of highest paid employee in the organization? How to get the details of highest paid employee in the organization? Max by. What we need to use, guys? We need to use max by. Okay. EMPs dot stream collect collectors dot max by comparator comparing comparator dot comparing comparator I need to import max by comparator dot comparing double comparator dot comparing double. What it has to compare? Employee salary, employee get salary. Okay, guys. So what it is going to give me? It is going to give me optional object. It is giving me optional object. So what we need to do with that optional object? What we need to do with optional object? We need to get that, right? If optional is present, if optional dot is present, then we are going to get optional dot get. Optional dot get. Now system.out.println of that employee. Okay, if I override the toString method, that employee data will be printed directly. I'm overriding toString method. Run this. Run as a Java application. ID Suresh, Department Development, 2015 salary 34,500. 34,500, that is the highest salaried employee. 25,000, 13, 18, 32, 22, 10, 27, 34, 11, 11, 15, 28, 21, 10, 12, 28. So this person, 8th employee, is having the highest salary. We are able to get the highest salary of the employee by using max by. We are able to get highest salary of the employee by using max by. Collectors dot max by comparing double with the salary. So I'm comparing the salaries of all the employees and I'm getting the max salaried employee here by using max by. Yesterday also we practiced this. Okay, get the details of highest paid employee in the organization. Okay, next one, get the names of all employees who have joined after 2015. Now, can you guys try this? You know the joining year of the employee. Can you find out the employees who have joined after 2015? Can you write this? Can you guys do this? Get the names of all employees who have joined after 2015. I want all employees, names of all employees who have joined after 2015. Which concept we need to use? Which concept we need to use? Filter plus map. Filter plus map. All the employee names I want. I have employees data. From the employee data, I want employee name. And filter who have joined after 2015, only those employees names I want. Filtered data. Okay, map concept we need to use along with the filter. Okay, how to do that? Employees dot stream, employees dot stream dot filter, employees dot stream dot filter, employees dot stream dot filter. We are going to pass employee object as a input for the filter. Employee dot year of joining greater than 2015. Employee dot year of joining 2015 dot map employee of employee dot name dot for each system dot out dot println, whatever the name that is there. If you want to collect it, collectors we can use system dot out dot println of that name. Okay, here filter based on the year of joining, then just get the names. Get the names of all employees who have joined after 2015. So first I want to filter the records who joined after 2015. For that I'm doing a filter. From them I want to get the just name. Okay, for that I'm using map. Filter is used to get the actual data which we want from the original data, and map is used to transform the data. Employee object I'm giving as an input. From the employee object I'm getting the employee name only. For that I'm using map concept. Okay, run this program, run as Java application. Yeah, so there are 5 employees available who joined after 2015. There are 5 employees available who joined after 2015. Okay, who joined after 2015. Next one, count the number of employees in each department. Which concept we need to use for this? Count the number of employees in each department. Which concept we need to use for this? Collectors. Count the number of each employee, count the number of employees in each department. Earlier, already we counted the employees based on the gender, right? Now we need to group them based on the department. That's it. First example, a small change if you do to the, if we do a small change in the first requirement, then we can group it. Earlier we grouped based on the gender. Now we need to group them by using department. Grouping by department and counting. That's it. Can I use this? Yeah. A map employee get department counting. That's it. Department wise, how many employees are available? We can count it. Department wise, how many employees are available? We can count it. Run as Java application. In the sales department, 3 employees are available. In the finance department, 2 employees, development department, 4 employees, infrastructure, 3 employees, HR, 2 employees, security, 2 employees. So total should be 16. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So total 16 is matching. all the employees are grouped as department wise. If we group them gender wise, male employees are 11, female employees are 5. If we group them department wise, sales department 3 employees, finance department 2 employees, development department 4 employees, infrastructure department 3, HR department 2, security department 2. So total should be 16. Yes, we have 16. This is the solution for sixth question. Okay. Now similarly, similar requirement. What is the average salary of each department? What is the average salary in each department? Can you guys tell me how to find the average salary of each department? Can you write the logic and send me now? Can you write the logic and send me now? What is the average salary of each department? Average salary in each department. Are you trying the logic? Yes, VK correct. Grouping and averaging double. That's it. We need to go for grouping and averaging double. Already we have done that now. Averaging into we have taken. So now we need to take averaging double. That's it. Employee dot department wise I need to group it. Get department, collecting, average double, employee, get salary. That's it, right? Based on the department, average salary. Yes, sales salary, average salary, finance average salary, development average salary, infrastructure average salary, HR average salary, security average salary. We are able to do this. Grouping by department, average salary. Department grouping by average salary. Now next question is interesting. Get the details of youngest male employee in the development department. Who is less aged employee in the development department, that too male. Get the details of youngest male employee in the development. So there are 4 employees in the development. You need to find who is youngest male employee in the development. How you will do that? Come on. In the development, male, youngest male. Youngest male. Get the details of youngest male employee in the development department. Get the details of youngest male employee in the development department. Do we need to use filter? Do we need filter or not required? Data filtering we need to do, or data filtering is not required? Filter is required. Why? male employee, development department. Filters we need to apply. From them, youngest male we need to get. Minimum age, min by. Minimum age, min by. First we need to apply a filter. We need to identify the employees who are belongs to gender male and development. One filter we need to apply. Then we need to do the min by age. Min by age. Okay, let's do this. emps dot stream dot filter employee dot get gender dot equals to male and e dot get department dot equals to development. Filter we have applied. Okay, stream I created. From that stream I am calling a filter. Stream dot filter. Gender should be male, department should be development. What is my requirement? Get the details of youngest male employee in the development department. So male employee, gender should be male, department should be development. Okay, for that I need to get the employee who is having minimum age, youngest male employee from the department. Okay, dot min we are using comparator dot comparing employee age, comparator dot comparing employee dot get age. Okay, so here filter, then minimum age employee by using comparator. Get the employees who are belongs to male and development department. From those employees get the minimum age employee. That minimum age employee is called youngest male employee in the development department. Are you clear? Dot min, first filter. If gender should be male, department should be development. From them, min, comparator dot comparing of age. Okay guys, min, we are getting optional object. When we get the optional object, what we need to do? We need to check it. If optional dot is present, then system dot out dot println of optional dot get. Run as Java application. Nitin is the person who is the youngest male employee in the development department. His age is 25. His age is 25. In the development, how many employees are there? Orlin, age 28. Suresh, 31. Nitin, 25. Sanvi, 26. So who is the youngest? 25 is the youngest in this development department. Nitin is the person who is youngest male employee in the development department. Able to understand how to identify youngest male employee in the development department? First, I am filtering that by using department and gender. From them, I am identifying the employee who is having a minimum age by using min function. Now, tell me, who has the most working experience in the organization? Who has the most working experience in the organization? How to identify that? Who has the most working experience in the organization? With the age, with the year of joining. Most experience you will identify based on person age, based on person joining year, year of joining, based on year of joining. Come on. How to do that? Can you write the code and send me? Can you write the code and send me? Most working experience in the organization. I will give the clue. Whose year of joining is less, that person is the most experienced person. The person who is having less year of joining date, that person is the most experienced person. I gave the clue. Whose year of joining is less than others, that person is the highest experienced person. Come on. Only 2 people are writing the logic. Remaining people are not responding. Who is having highest experience? Who is having highest experience? You need to find out that. Come on, guys, try that. Try that. Can I write now? Yeah, see here. emps dot stream dot collect collectors dot min by comparator dot comparing employee dot get employee dot get year of joining. Is this correct? Is this correct? What is the output of this? Optional object. Collect method is giving me optional object. If it is optional object, we can execute this logic. Optional dot is present. Run this, run as Java application. Ramesh. Ramesh joining year is 2010. What about the remaining? 2011, 2015, 12, 14, 13, 16, 10. Ramesh joined in 2010. All the employees joined after Ramesh only. So Ramesh is the person who is having highest experience in the job, highest experience in the company. Ramesh is having highest experience in the company. Got it? Understood. Who has the most working experience in the organization? Yes, we are able to identify. That means the person who joined first, that person is the most experienced person. Now, how many male and female employees are there in the sales team? How many male and female employees are there in the sales team? Can you do this? Can you do this? How many male and female employees are there in the sales team? Which operation we need to use to find how many male and female employees are there in the sales team? Come on. Only sales team employees I want. Male and female employees in the sales team. We need to use grouping because male employees and female employees, we need to differentiate them. That too only in the sales. Can I say filter with group? Can we use a filter with group? Guys, can we use a filter with group? Yes or no? Yeah, try this. See here, I want to identify male and female employees are there in the sales team, only sales team employees. Employees dot stream dot filter employee dot get gender dot equals to sales. Okay, first I am filtering the sales team because I want to get the male and female employees are there in the sales team. First I am filtering the sales team. First I am getting all the employees from the sales team. Then I need to group them. How many male, how many female? Collect collectors dot grouping by employee dot collectors dot grouping by employee dot get gender. Employees dot get gender, comma, what we need to use? What we need to use, guys? Counting, right? Counting. Collectors dot counting. Collectors dot grouping by employee based on the gender. I want to count them. Which employees I want to count based on gender? Sales department. So first I am doing a filter on the sales, then I am grouping them based on the gender. That is the requirement. How many male and female employees are there in the sales team? First I am filtering based on the sales. Then I am getting male wise, female wise count. Okay, it will give you a map. Whenever you do grouping with collectors, then you will get the map. Okay, guys. Yeah, let's print it. System.out.println of map. Run as Java application. Oh, sales. How I have given that sales? Why we are not getting anything? Okay, it is not gender. Here I need to filter based on the department, right? It's my mistake. Based on the department. Sales is a department. It's not a gender. Filter was wrong. Run as application. Now female 1, male 2. In the sales department, 1 female available, 2 males are available. Female 1 Geeta is sales department. Butler sales department. Smith sales department. 2 males, 1 female available in the sales department. 2 males, 1 female available in the sales department. Are we able to understand this? How many male and female employees in the sales team? How many male and female employees are there in the sales team? First, I'm doing a filter by using sales, then I'm collecting them. Got it? Now, can you try these 5 things? What is the average salary of the male and female employees? List down the names of all employees in each department. What is the average salary and total salary of the whole organization? Separate the employees who are younger or equal to 25 years from those employees who are older than 25 years. Who is the oldest employee in the organization? What is his age and which department he belongs to? Yeah. Who is the oldest employee in the organization? Can you guys try the remaining 5? I solved 10 problems. Can you try these 5 problems on your own? Can you guys try these problems on your own? Come on, guys. Can you solve this? Yeah, you guys try this. So today you guys try this. Tomorrow morning I will send the answers in the group for these problems also. Okay. Now I will upload these notes in the portal, guys. Tomorrow also we have a class. So there are few other collection changes, minor changes are there in the Java 8. But most frequently asked interview questions from the collections already we covered, like what is Lambda, what is functional interface, what is method reference, what is optional class, what is stream API. Okay, what are the date time changes available? The most important features of Java 8 we have already covered. Tomorrow also we have a class. So tomorrow we will discuss few other topics also. Yeah, what is the reducing operation, reducing and collections difference, right? And there is some other difference like Nashron engine is there. So what are the other changes that happened in the Java 8? Okay, some minor changes are there. So those things also we are going to cover in the tomorrow session. Tomorrow also we have a class. Tomorrow class will start at 7:30. Right, guys? So tomorrow evening also we have a class 7:30 to 9 o'clock. I will take 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. I will take. So that is also based on the Java 8 only. Tomorrow also we have a class for Java 8. I want you people to complete. I want you people to complete solution for these 5 problems. I will send the solution for these 5 problems by tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, you need to try these problems. Okay? Good, guys. Thank you. We'll connect again tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Good night.